Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay to your Lexus NX. First, verify your Lexus NX model is compatible with Apple CarPlay, as some older models may require an update. Next, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS software for optimal performance and compatibility. Finally, make sure your vehicle is in park and your phone is unlocked before beginning the setup. This ensures a smooth and successful connection. Connecting CarPlay can be done wirelessly or with a cable. For a wireless connection, first enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and on your Lexus Infotainment system. Then, pair your phone, and the system will guide you to enable Wi-Fi for the CarPlay connection. If you prefer a wired connection, simply plug your iPhone into the vehicle's USB data port using a high-quality, certified USB cable. The system should then prompt you to activate CarPlay. Sometimes, you might encounter connection issues. A simple restart of both your iPhone and the Lexus Infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. If using a wired connection, inspect your USB cable for any damage and ensure it's securely plugged into both your phone and the vehicle's data port. For persistent problems, try deleting any existing CarPlay profiles from your Lexus settings and then repairing your iPhone from scratch. Once connected, Apple CarPlay transforms your Lexus NX display into an extension of your iPhone. You can safely access navigation, play your favorite music, make calls, and send messages using voice commands or the vehicle's controls. Customize your CarPlay dashboard to prioritize the apps you use most frequently for an even more personalized experience. Remember to check the description below for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience and safety of Apple CarPlay on your drives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.